I know you are tired of paying money to make those beautiful flyers. Like you're a business owner, you're a student, you want to invite people to your birthday, but you're tired of paying people to make flyers for you, and then you have zero experience of graphic designing. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make good quality, beautiful flyer that's going to blow you right away. So in this video, make sure that you're sticking because I'm going to be showing you how to make beautiful flyers using just AI. I know that a lot of you have been struggling. Like I know a lot of you pay a lot of money just to make flyers, but I'm going to be teaching you. It's very, very easy. I'm going to be using AI to make this house. So you see these beautiful flyers you see at the top of the screen here. I made this using just AI, guys. So make sure you lock into this video because I'm going to take you through all of the process to make this flyer, so you don't have to pay nothing to learn, and it's absolutely for free. You're not paying any money. All you have to do is like on this video, give me a big thumbs up, comment, share this video, and drop your beautiful comment, guys. Let's go. Let me teach you guys how to do it. So we're going to be using Gemini AI. So you're going to tell Gemini AI, just follow this video. You're going to understand everything because I just wanted to make it very short and easy. So I'm just going to tell Gemini to give me 3 different prompts to create various flyers. If you don't want to use Gemini AI, you can use any other AI that is easy for you. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be using Gemini AI. Gemini AI, ChatGPT can also help you with this to give you the prompt. So the prompt is what you're going to use to create the flyer. So you're just going to tell the prompt how you want the description of your flyer, what you want it to contain. So all you have to do is you can just tell it to create a general prompt for you. So then you edit into the prompt. So for the purpose of this video, I just told it to create prompt a general prompt for me so I can use it to create the flyer. So you want to make sure that you check out the prompt, you copy, and then you impute your image that you're going to be using to do the flyer on ChatGPT. So we're on ChatGPT now. I imputed the picture using the plus button that you see there. So I pasted what I copied from Gemini. I copied the first prompt. So I pasted it and it's going to pop up. It's going to keep creating the image. So I'm going to go back to Gemini and then I'm going to copy the next prompt. So you can just make sure that I read everything in total so that you don't make a mistake. And then you're going to tell ChatGPT to create the flyer for you in whatever size that you want it to be. If you want it to be a YouTube thumbnail size or any of the size that you want the flyer to be, they're going to create it for. All you have to do is just edit the prompt on, use all your description, add your description into the prompt. So it's very easy for you to create so that there'll be no mistake. So ChatGPT is going to create it for you. So this is the first flyer that I created for me. So you created a YouTube thumbnail for me. So I was not, I for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to use everything that they recommended for me. So this one was to master Python in 10 minutes. So we're going to go over and copy the last prompt. So as it's creating the other one, we're copying the last prompt and imputing it as well. So it's going to create for us as well. So you see that it's creating image. Since we're using the free version, it's going to be very slow. So if you're somebody that is using the pro version in ChatGPT, you can now able to get it faster. But since we are doing it free, we're going to wait for it to load. So this is the second flyer that it came. It gave us a birthday badge. So you're going to make sure that you impute and edit your prompt, whatever you want it to be, add your description, everything into the prompt so that there will be no mistake when ChatGPT is creating the flyer for you or the poster, whatever it is, or the YouTube thumbnail. This is what I use to edit all my YouTube thumbnail, to create all my YouTube thumbnail. So if you're somebody that is lazy, you don't have anybody that wants to create a flyer for you, very, very easy, or you don't have the money to pay for a flyer, a poster, you can use this method. It's way easier for you to do. So this is going to be creating this third image for us. So the third image is about restaurants. So before this video, I just did a regular design. So this is how it came out to be, and it's very easy. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you try out these steps. It's very easy for you. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video to 1 or 2 friends that it might help. Thank you for watching.